Don't swear. Hey guys, welcome to this video. You can probably guess what we're doing. We're doing fidget spinners and tennis balls, like ping pong trick shots of tennis balls.
Like if you've probably seen Don't Do Perfect, then you'll know what we're doing.
And this video is not sponsored by anything. And we're joined by Braden as well.
Hello.
Again. I made you a fidget spinner flip.
Yeah.
So should we get on with this game? Right.
Well, go on, SJ.
Nope.
I call this the ping pong trick shot.
I call this the sit down.
The ping pong trick shot.
We have got more balls, but I can't.
I just sounded so wrong, but okay.
But I might do another. I'll record after this as well. Another ping pong trick shots video, because I'll get all of the tennis balls in at the same time with the fidget spinners. You're getting that, or I'll get it. Oh look, we found a new ball. No! Run, buddy, run! Right, then it's coming! It's in the plant, by the way. Yeah, there's a beanie baby on the thing. That's weird.
Where are you, bro?
It's in the plant.
The ball has become the plant.
Oh look, hello ball. This spot actually it could be sponsored from Dunlop.
I call this the dropper drop.
The Dunlop, you are in our video right now. Look, Dunlop. This game's gonna be so hard. Uh oh, I crushed the box. I got a good idea. All right.
Jokes.
So.
Joke time. What would you get if you have an arm wrestle with a pig? Pulled pork.
Pulled pork. Should we do every video? Should we have like a joke in it?
Yeah.
At some point in the video. Today's our first joke. It's what do you call a pig that's been arm wrestled?
No,
Pulled pork.
What do you say when you've been in an arm wrestle by a pig?
No! It's actually nearly flown in the road. Now you gotta hold it. Oh! Right, let's get on to some fidget spinner business.
Yes.
You might realise that I've got some cool fidget spinner now. Cool fidget spinner. It's our United Kingdom thing.
My fidget spinner.
And I'm getting a rainbow one as well soon. But this video is only going to be short because, yeah, we can't. This is going to be very short.
Oh, baby, a triple. I call this one the in and out of the pot. Well, out into the pot. Oh, and then the other one. SJ, should have saw that. I called the ball like that, and it nearly fell out. It literally landed like that. Wait.
Hang on.
The ball literally landed like that, but then it rolled down. Look how the ball landed.
Look at that then, boys.
Take one ball.
Now let's see which one's going to stop first.
Into the bucket.
Oh, grab it. Oh, the winner is Braden's fidget spinner. So's mine, but yeah, yours is. Which one will last longer this time? Oh my god!
What?
The middle one was actually warping.
Was it?
Yeah, in the video.
Shove it up.
Just now, it was warping.
When it walks, what does it mean? What does it look like?
Weird.
I've done it again.
Is it going to warp this time?
Okay.
It's warped! warped.
SJ, look, I've done it.
Look how weird that is.
Oh yeah. Look, I've done it.
Look, what?
I've flipping done it again. Look.
This is warped. This is warped. Now watch.
Oh my god.
See, it's warped.
Mine stopped. SJ, throw a ball. Which ball are you going to throw? Pick a ball, SJ.
Oh, they're all warped.
SJ. Right, ready, SJ? SJ. Close your eyes and pick a ball.
I choose this one. Hello, boys and girls. Now they're all warped. Oh my god, they're all warped. Oh my god, you should have seen the United Kingdom one. It like completely stopped. But it was still going on in real life.
If I was watching Bob Baby last night, right? My one warped. And because it was the light on the TV, it actually warped.
Okay, guys, I think this might be the end of the video. But
For the finish?
and for the finish, here's the one. Right. This is the ender. This is not the ender so far.
This is the Ender Dragon. 1,
Kind of.
2.
This.
Throw one at a time. Wait, you hold this and I'll try to do it.
Nope. This is the ender. 1. Come on. We need to get this right, dude. Fail.
Fail.
Dirt. No turd.
After this, where are we going next?
We're going to do another video.
Hey.
Ender. 1.
2.
Yes.
Count in with SJ. people.
Everybody, see you later. Subscribe, like. The joke is this video. When you arm wrestle a pig, what do you call it?
When you get arm wrestled by a pig, what do you get?
A pulled pork.
What do you get? What type of magazine does the big bad wolf read? Porks Illustrated. Porks Illustrated or whatever.
Alright, see you later. Like,
Bye,
subscribe,
peeps.
and peace
Peace.
out.